everyone, I am Suchitra of grade 5. Today I am going to explain about a project of garbage disposal. Here, what is your garbage waste? We throw away every day like food scraps, plastic bottles and paper waste. We need to dispose it properly so it doesn't harm our environment. If we do not dispose of garbage properly, it can pollute soil, air and water. This can harm animals, plants and even us. Imagine if our park or beach was filled with trash. It wouldn't be fun to play there, wouldn't it? No, we can dispose of garbage properly by using these simple steps. Reduce, reuse, recycle, throw away. Here, 3 dustbins are there to throw dust. One is degradable waste, means food waste, fruits, vegetables, tea bags, coffee grounds, and leftover food. Now, paper products, newspaper, paper towel, cardboard, cotton, and wool. Yes, even human waste is biodegradable. Second one is non-biodegradable waste, means this cannot be broken down naturally by living organisms. Example, plastic bag, metal, straws, plastic items, steel cans and glass bottles. These items pollute air, water and soil and also causes health problems, respiratory issues, skin allergies and cancer. Third one is hazardous waste. This type of waste that poses significant risks to human health. This type of waste that contains products like batteries, electronics, pesticides, fertilizers, medicines. I hope you understood which waste useful to our earth and health.